right. So I'm trying to run it, but it's not on. As you can see, the screen is blank, so don't throw it, just open it. It might be something you can repair. So take off the batteries. Unscrewing the screws. So it might be a minor problem you can solve by yourself, so don't just throw it. Can you see this? It's very rusty, so I have to clean it. So I have to clean it with this sharp edge. So bring it out a bit so that it will have a proper contact. So I pull it out a bit. So I clean it once more. Okay. So see on the panel it's a bit dirty also, so try to clean it. Negative. Negative, positive. Wow, it's up now. See that?